My dear chartered accountants, when you are growing your firm, you already know that there are two big tasks at hand: get more clients and keep them happy. And I'm sure you must have developed effective system for all the subtasks like attract and nurture leads, client follow-up, close deals, generate agreement, create quotes, get client jobs done, send invoices, manage documents, answer questions, manage your team. Yeah, it's a tall order, and you are probably juggling around to manage all of it. Even though you have developed good processes and system around the same, your efforts will not attract and retain your dream clients if you do not have market leadership strategy. This is what I'm going to cover up in this video. So stay tuned. So what's up, friends? Hi, my name is CA Vinod Palwani. I'm the founder of Business Freedom Hub, and I am on a mission to help 100,000 chartered accountants to live lifestyle of freedom from their accounting practice while still growing their practice and make better version of themselves. That's why I have created this YouTube channel. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel where I am always serving up tips and tricks to grow your accounting firm. Alright, before discussing market leadership strategy, you need to know your market and identify your target market. Because unless you know your target market, you cannot craft your unique positioning, your unique story, and therefore you cannot land ideal clients to your practice. Friends, there are three types of clients in the market. Number one, clients who have unmet need. Number two, clients who are satisfied with the current offerings but now want to control their cost. Number three, clients who want special treatment and personalized offering. You need to identify which of these clients you are going to target. For each kind of clients, I am going to show you one strategy, so you will be getting three primary strategies in this video. Strategy number one, product leadership strategy. This strategy is followed by Big Fours. They follow the concept introducing new. As Big Fours have dedicated research team, they are able to create and launch new products and services. You must have seen they introduced product called Impact Analysis of GST on Industry. Strategy number two, price leadership strategy. This strategy is followed by tech companies like ClearText, India Filings, Vakil Search, etc. They do not introduce new products in the market. These companies follow the concept of product re-engineering, and they try to deliver standard product known to already established market by just optimizing cost of operations and offering these products at a cheaper price. Strategy number three, focus leadership strategy. Followed by experts in particular domain, say GST consultant, income tax consultant, management consultant, industry specific consultant, etc. These experts follow the concept selling more of less to focus on specific industries or specific requirement, which makes them achieve the status of experts. Want to know more? Okay. Let me give you one more strategy. Strategy number 4, Hope Leadership Strategy. This strategy is followed by all the mediocre practitioners. They are the kind of firms who consider serving all types of clients and offer all types of services. That is, they believe in the concept of more of more. They say yes to every client and therefore they always overcome it and regret later on. In fact, hope is not a strategy at all. I'm sure by now you must be clear with all these strategies. Let me know your market leadership strategy in the comment box below.